Hi traders, it's Nathan here from TradeView and welcome to episode 233 of the Trading Talk series. In this week's episode, we have a look at some professional custom indicators we use here on our trading desk. I'm thinking of building this into a mini series where we look at different combinations of our 4 custom indicators using different ideas and techniques to put them into a system for you to trade the markets. If you don't have access to these indicators, you can find them on our website and get access to them for $25. These indicators help provide a unique perspective on the markets, and some of them have been developed in conjunction with previous speakers from our algo trading conferences. For a lot of our new clients who haven't yet had the privilege of attending our algo trading conference in person, it's a great time to have a look at booking your ticket to come down to Melbourne and learn from some of the world's very best. If you're not already a client and would like to watch episode 233 in full and build the model for yourself, just purchase a series by clicking on the Learn More button on the top left of this page, or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. To get updated first when a new episode has been released, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. I hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.